Mitchell's tinny up here in the shop today.
Now people can't see me and they're freaking my nose.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going out to Leadfoot City for their grand opening event, which will be awesome. So we got the Beamer loaded up. We got a couple extra tires. I don't think we should need a whole bunch of tires. We're taking the 2 we got plus 4 more. It is a brand new parking lot, so it's, I mean, last time I only used up 2 tires and I still have tread left over from those, so we should be good. But this will be the first run with the new motor, so it should be good. So we're gonna head out there. Let's get to the time lapse. Made it to Leadfoot City. We're about to get the car off the trailer and get to driving. We're gonna go in there and hang out for a little bit first, though, kind of see the layout and talk to some people, and it should be a fun day. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna go over here and check out the track and see what the layout is. I'm not sure what the layout is, but we got all kinds of people out here. We got Big Boost out here. What up, let's go. So the fans,
welcome back to the channel.
the fans didn't kick on. Jingle the wires.
All right, so the fans didn't kick on, so we're gonna let this thing cool off for about 30 minutes over here in the pits. Check the wire. We're probably gonna have to tape it up and make sure it's secure, and we should be able to get back on track after that. So let's go. All right, so we found the problem. We're gonna cut out this connector box. Is bad under here. So my man here,
Big Indian's gonna step in. Big Indian Motorsports, babe. Let's look us up. Big Indian Motorsports, Big Indian Drift Pit. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. No Snapchat though.
I'll put a link in the description. And
Yeah,
stuff. Oh, yeah.
everything. We're gonna put some new connector ends on for them. We'll get it all fixed up.
Oh, yeah.
No worries. We help anybody out. Just remember that.
I definitely appreciate it.
Just come and ask, bro. It's that simple. You
Yeah,
came and
man.
asked, we got you.
Yep. Oh,
Let's
yeah.
get to it. They're on. I can hear them.
should be good to go now. Hopefully it won't overheat.
Back to it.
So we're gonna take some more laps. It was actually pretty fun out here. We're starting to get used to it and have a little bit more fun and actually make it through the whole course now. But yep, we're gonna just keep on driving. Let's go.
So, next time not as deep?
Yeah, so we came in a little hot on that one. Not gonna lie, we need to slow it down a little bit. I'm a loose cannon. I'm out of control. I need to relax, so we're gonna try to relax. here working the grid.
Yep.
Yep.
Going.
What do you think of the event so far?
It's going good now. It was a bit of a thing early, but now it's smooth and everybody's happy,
It's
and it's
slick.
fast entries and it's pretty sweet. So.
It's slick. I need more horsepower.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I want to get my S14 out here.
Do it, dude.
Hell
Put
yeah.
Jay-Z in it.
Yeah, I know, right? All right, so we're gonna walk around, check out everything else, and get back to it. Let's go. Leadfoot City was a blast. We had a great time, took a bunch of rides. We are gonna get out of here a little bit early, so me and Philip are gonna load up everything and get headed home. Let's go. That's it for Leadfoot City. We're gonna get out of here.
Big shout out to Big Indian Drift. They helped us out with the fan. The connection had gotten messed up. They helped us out and had all the parts to fix it here on the track, so we were able to keep on driving. Had a great day. Couldn't ask for better. Thanks for Leadfoot City, and I don't know. We'll see you back home. Let's go.